Students, I hope you all are fine at home. Today we are going to discuss about nouns as gender. What is gender? The difference in sex is denoted by gender. The difference in sex is denoted by gender. It can be male or female. It can be male or female. Kinds of gender. There are four kinds of gender. Four kinds of gender are masculine gender, second is feminine gender, common gender, neuter gender. Masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender and neuter gender. There are four kinds of gender. First one is masculine gender. What is masculine gender? Masculine gender denotes the names of male. It denotes the name of male. For example, boy, father, horse, king, man, and many more. Boy, father, horse, king, man, and many more. Some sentences are here. He is a boy. He is a boy. So, boy here is masculine gender. Boy here is masculine gender. Ram is a king. Ram is a king. King here is masculine gender. King here is masculine gender. Masculine gender denotes the names of male. It denotes the names of male. Second one is feminine gender. Feminine gender denotes the names of females. It denotes the names of female. For example, girl, mother, mare, aunt, girl, mother, mare, aunt. It can be sister, woman, and many more. Now we are going to do some more examples. Radha is a girl. Radha is a girl. Girl here is feminine gender. The mare is in a stable. The mare is in a stable. So mare here is feminine gender. Feminine gender denotes the names of females. It denotes the names of female. Third one is common gender. Common gender denotes the name of either male or female. It denotes the name of male or female. For example, baby. Baby. It can be male or female. Bird, cat, child, doctor. Friend. It can be male or female. The friend can be male or female. Servant, writer, neighbor, and many more. To do some sentences here. First one is Mr. Sharma is a doctor. Mr. Sharma is a doctor and Mrs. Sharma is a doctor. So, doctor can be male or female. It can be male or female. So, doctor stands for Mr. Sharma and Mrs. Sharma. So, doctor here is common gender. The fourth one is neuter gender. What is neuter gender? Neuter gender denotes the names objects without life. It denotes the names objects without life. For example, book, chair, knife, pen, pencil. Book, chair, knife, pen, pencil, and many more. So all these are neuter gender. All these nouns are non-living things. So they are neither male nor female. Such nouns are called neuter gender. Such nouns are called neuter gender. Sentences are there of neuter gender. This is a book. This is a book. So book here is neuter gender. Book here is neuter gender. The pen is on the table. The pen is on the table. So pen and table are neuter gender. Book, pen and table are neuter gender. They are neither male nor female. Going to do some examples of masculine gender and feminine gender. The first one is grandfather, grandmother. Father, mother. Boy, girl. Brother, sister. Uncle, aunt. Man, woman. Husband, wife. So all these are the examples of masculine and feminine gender. So grandfather, father, boy, brother, uncle, man and husband. All these are masculine gender. Grandmother, mother, girl, sister, aunt, woman and wife. All these are feminine gender. All these are feminine gender. Exercise in which we have to find out the masculine, feminine, common or neuter gender. The first one is Veena, respect for teacher. Veena, respect for teacher. Veena here is the name of the girl. So Veena here is feminine gender, and teacher, it can be male or female. So teacher here is common gender. This book belongs to Meena. This book belongs to Meena. Book here is neuter gender. Meena here is feminine gender. May I come in, sir? May I come in, sir? Sir here is masculine gender. Sir is masculine gender. And feminine is madam. Masculine is sir and feminine is madam. So sir here is masculine gender. The horse is sleeping in the stable. The horse is sleeping in the stable. Horse here is masculine gender. And stable is neuter gender. It's an object without life. So stable here is neuter gender and horse is masculine gender. Jay has invited his friends. Jay has invited his friends. Jay here is masculine gender. It's the name of a boy. And friends, it can be girl or a boy, it can be masculine or a feminine. So friends are common gender. The prince and the princess lived happily ever after. The prince and the princess lived happily ever after. Prince. Prince is masculine gender and princess here is feminine gender. Prince is masculine and the feminine is princess.